Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Brenda Ann Spencer, the school shooter who inspired the song I Don't Like Mondays. After decades behind bars, many ask, where is she now? Let's break it all down. On January 29, 1979, when she was just 16, Brenda Ann Spencer opened fire at Grover Cleveland Elementary School in San Diego. She killed the principal and the custodian and injured several others, while telling a reporter afterwards, I don't like Mondays. She was tried as an adult, pleaded guilty, and was sentenced to 25 years to life in prison. Over the years, Brenda Spencer has had multiple opportunities for parole. She's been interviewed, assessed for rehabilitation, and scrutinized repeatedly. But each time, the parole board has denied release, including in 2025, often citing her failure to accept full responsibility and concerns about public safety. Where is Brenda Ann Spencer now? As of now, Brenda Spencer remains incarcerated at the California Institution for Women in Chino, California. Her parole was again denied in 2025. She was denied parole previously in 1993, 2001, 2005, 2009, 2022, and now 2025. The next time she will be considered for parole is in 2028. Brenda Spencer's life has been defined by that tragedy and her continued detention. Decades later, the consequences are still being felt. She remains in prison, her parole repeatedly denied. Her story endures as one of America's earliest and most tragic school shootings.